Welcome to Product Critique. In this video, we're reviewing the best Bosch Cooktop 30-inch electric radiant, the Bosch NET8069UC electric cooktop. If you're in the market for a sleek, high-performance, and reliable electric cooktop, stick around. This 5-minute guide covers everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. The Bosch NET8069UC is part of Bosch's prestigious 800 series. Designed with both elegance and performance in mind, this 30-inch electric cooktop sports a smooth black surface that instantly elevates any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're doing a full remodel or just upgrading your cooktop, this model blends seamlessly into modern countertops with its minimalist, frameless design. At the heart of this cooktop are 4 high-speed radiant elements, which provide versatile heat levels for all your cooking needs. Whether you're boiling water, simmering sauces, or pan-searing meats, the heat-up is impressively fast and evenly distributed thanks to Bosch's high-end ceramic heating technology. One of the standout features is its precise temperature control. Each burner is equipped with a range of settings that allow you to adjust heat in fine increments. There's no guesswork here. When you need low heat to melt chocolate or high heat to stir fry, the Bosch NET8069UC responds instantly and accurately. Another key feature is the touch control interface. It's completely flat and incredibly intuitive. With a simple tap or slide of your finger, you can turn burners on or off, adjust temperature, or activate special functions like the safety lock, a critical addition for families with children or for peace of mind when cleaning. Now let's talk about safety and practicality. The cooktop includes a hot surface indicator, which lights up to warn you if any part of the glass surface is still hot to the touch. And if the unit is left on accidentally, the automatic shut-off feature kicks in for added security. Bosch also includes a keep warm function, which maintains a low consistent temperature without burning food. This is perfect for dinner parties or large meals when you need to keep multiple dishes warm without continuing to cook them. When it comes to power, the Bosch NET8069UC operates at 120 volts, which makes it compatible with standard US electrical outlets. However, if you're planning to use this in another country, you may need a voltage converter, something worth noting before purchase. The cooktop surface is made from premium black ceramic glass, not just for looks but for easy maintenance too. After a cooking session, wiping down the surface is quick and effortless, especially since there are no knobs or ridges for food to get stuck in. If we look at the overall design, this Bosch model leans heavily on minimalism. It doesn't just look good, it feels good to use. The subtle layout of burners, the red LED indicators, and the smooth interface all come together to create a top-tier cooking experience. Now, a quick but important note. This product cannot be shipped to all international destinations, including India, so make sure to check delivery availability before ordering. So to wrap up, the Bosch NET8069UC is a premium 30-inch electric cooktop that combines power, precision, and sleek design. From fast heating elements and smart touch controls to built-in safety features, it's a cooktop designed for serious home chefs who value both form and function. If you're searching for the best electric radiant cooktop in this size and category, you just found it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews on the best kitchen appliances out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.